Hello, my little minions, it's me, Bo Shevasu. Before dropping a bucket load of money on a GH7, I wanted to show you exactly how it comes in the mail. So of course we have our manuals right here, which I'm not gonna show you the backside of this one because that's where the serial number is, but you don't really care about that. You actually want to know what is inside this thing. And it's very much an Apple type experience, if you know what I mean in terms of how this thing is packaged. And yes, my daughters did drop this multiple times on our way from the package store. And we're just gonna put this aside because this is the main cheese right here. And we're just gonna check this and then we're gonna go through some accessories. But of course, here is the main body. We're going to examine this nicely all around here. Of course, oh, that is just beautiful looking. Oh, that's so exciting. Outstanding. This thing is just solid feeling from Micro Four Thirds. Dude, all right. So now we're gonna actually look at the accessories because as promised, this is a full unboxing. And you can see that it comes with a cable right here. What kind of cable is this? I don't know what this is. That is completely foreign to me. You can probably check the specs to make sure and correct me on this video. Aha, it does actually come with a battery. Personally, I got some, I think they're called small build batteries. They are bright, bright orange, and I would recommend something like this because something black gets lost in a dark camera bag very, very quickly. And speaking of actual chargers, here we go, this right here. And oh, also with the small rig chargers, you can actually charge your batteries using a USB-C cable, but not with this. This, as you can see, does not have a USB-C port on it. You need to actually plug this directly into that charging platform that I just showed you. You know what that is. Other than that, that is pretty much everything on there. And that is the full unboxing of this GH7.